What does the FSU professor predict about AI's role in the future job market? The future is not just about robots replacing humans, but a surprising partnership shaping your career. The FSU professor predicts that AI will not simply take over human jobs, but will transform the way we work. Instead of disappearance, many jobs will evolve as AI tools boost human productivity and creativity. For example, professionals in fields like healthcare, education, and design will use AI to handle routine tasks, freeing them to focus on complex problem-solving and innovation. This means your future job might change dramatically, but it won't vanish overnight. Another surprising prediction is that AI will generate entirely new job categories. Roles focused on maintaining AI systems, developing ethical guidelines, and fostering human-AI collaboration will become essential. These are careers that hardly existed a decade ago. So while some traditional jobs may decline, new and exciting opportunities will emerge where human intuition and AI capabilities combine in innovative ways. The professor emphasizes that to thrive, you should focus on skills AI struggles to replicate. Critical thinking, adaptability, and emotional intelligence will be in high demand since AI cannot fully replace human judgment and empathy. Cultivating these skills will make you indispensable, ensuring that AI becomes your powerful ally rather than a threat. The future job market shaped by AI is not a story of loss, but transformation and opportunity. By embracing new skills and collaborating with AI, you prepare for a career that's more dynamic and innovative than ever. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and stay ahead in a changing world.